today we are making ornaments. We got this little DIY kit from Michael's.
And it was 50% off, and we love a bargain.
Heck yeah. And it comes with, it's a 54-piece set. I don't know how many ornaments it comes with, but
I think it's 54 ornaments.
I didn't know if the pieces counted with the glitter. Anyways, so we're gonna be making some ornaments, and what you do is, you'll see, but we are going to put glue inside of these and then put glitter, and then like you shake it.
And then we're gonna take my mom's, want to move it so it's like, there you go. And we're gonna take my mom's Cricut and we're gonna print like names out and put it on the front. So I think it's gonna be super cute and a like creative thing to do for the holidays.
Well, DIY. So we'll just time lapse us making the ornaments. We'll show you how to make one and then we'll time lapse it. All right, so I got the goods. This is the glue. This is the glitter I chose. It came with a bunch of different colors. I'll show you guys. And then my ornament. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the top off, just like that, super easy, and then I'm gonna put glue on the inside. I don't know how much, but is that too much? Oh, that's looking like a little too much.
You put the lid on and shake it, dude.
Oh, so you put the lid on and shake it. See, we're learning together.
You don't put the lid on and shake it? Oh, there's a hole in the top.
Oh, then I was doing it right. Okay. Ignore that. So you just move it around like so. And then you put the glitter in.
Pass the glue.
Pass the glue?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna put the glitter in. Yeah, I definitely put too much glue. Don't put that much glue. Because now it's all liquidy. You know, Serenity. I'm gonna get really good at this, maybe. Look, it's...
Put too much glue.
Don't put too much glue like me. You just need a little bit of glue, but this is a...
I'm gonna try and do it.
Dad, we're making ornaments. You wanna make with us? Okay, I'm gonna put the top on and shake it, even though there's a hole in the top. I'm gonna put my finger over it. Oh, that didn't work. Glitter went everywhere. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna play with this more and then show you the final look, but I'm covered in glitter. So just be aware that this is a little messy.
I'm gonna use this thing to dump out. John.
What is up? Seriously. What is up? We just finished glittering the ornaments. Look, this one looks good. It's pretty good. So we glittered them all. I think we have 12 that we didn't do, but we're gonna go ahead and go on with the stickers. We're gonna make some stickers on the Cricut. And I'll keep you posted on that. Don't recommend this if like you don't want glitter everywhere.
Because
but like
there's glitter everywhere.
Like if you hate glitter, but it was fun. Look at this one. We put the Florida F. Super cute. My brother made this one. I think he did the best at them, to be honest.
You need another F for the opposite side.
Yeah, I think we're gonna do 2 Fs. But yeah, super duper cute.
No?
Yeah, I'll put another F.
I have a red one. You
Super exciting. I think with this one, I don't know. I have different ideas for this one, but I think that it's gonna turn out cool. It's gonna turn out cool. So I'll keep you posted.
To Alabama.
Hello, happy Vlogmas. I'm just coming back in and checking all in because the ornaments are done. So we printed some stuff out on the Cricut and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay. So not all of them are done because we just haven't had time with exams and things like that, but all the like sparkles, we haven't added all the Cricut stuff, if that makes any sense. So as you can see, these are some of the ornaments. See all the sparkles? Aren't they cute? This one is obviously a Gator one, so go Gators. And then this is an Alabama one for my brother's best friend because he's a huge Alabama fan. But look how cute. John made this one. I made this one. I think, oh, Jackson made this one. And I don't know which one Serenity made. I know my mom made this one. But aren't they so cute? Look at them. I overall feel like that was a really good like bonding experience, and it was just fun to do with the family. So if you're looking for something to do with your family during this Christmas time, I recommend. And Michael's always has really good deals. I recommend doing it. It was so much fun. It did get glitter everywhere. So if you do not like glitter and don't want glitter everywhere, don't do it. But it was so much fun.
What you know about Vlogmas Day 5, baby? I'm waiting for Sierra. She's a straggler. Look, I actually put makeup on today. Ooh, look.
Yeah, I know.
She's glowing. Look.
Why are we matching?
Yeah, why? Why do we do that? Look, she's
Why are we
glowing.
matching?
She's glowing.
Why are we matching?
I was here first. You guys saw that. You guys witnessed it.
Whatever.
But what do you guys know about Vlogmas Day 5?
Vlogmas Day 5. Okay, and we're gonna start with Advent calendar.
You know I told you guys about the whole, yeah, for Day 5. Look, mine's right here. You know I told you about the whole letter thing that I can write on the back? I still gotta do that.
Okay,
Ooh,
mine's a house.
Mine's a bell. I'm waiting for the day that we have the same thing. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Still can't taste it, but I can taste it a little more.
I agree. Okay, you wanna open number 5?
Yeah, baby.
I still need to paint my nails.
Yeah, I know. And the color is called Dress to the Wines.
I love
Look,
wine.
it's like a pretty red wine color. Ooh! I think that's what I'm painting my nails. I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I really do. And then today's day of Christmas is from Jackson. He's not here right now. He's at work.
Is it just any random one?
Okay. So look how cute. Let's go ahead and take a thumbnail with it.
Oh, let me give one with a bow.
So, gonna open it.
Let's open. Jackson wrapped
I
this, but
literally
he did a good job.
still have a cop.
Yes, I cut the paper and he wrapped them.
Ooh.
Jackson's actually the best at wrapping.
Hershey.
Have you guys had this? The Hershey's and Reese's bar? Ooh, baby. If you like yourself some chocolate,
baby.
some Reese's Pieces. I said Hershey chocolate bar. It's Hershey's and Reese's. I'm sorry.
It has Reese's
But if you
Pieces
guys
in it.
like Reese's Pieces, if you guys in Hershey's, 10 out of 10. This is like one of the best things ever.
Out of 10.
10 out of 10, baby. So that concludes our, days of Christmas shenanigans
For today.
Yeah, we did
Okay.
the exact same peace sign. I still
We're on
awkwardly do the peace sign. Or sometimes I'll be like why? Because I'm on TikTok more than I should be. I should, I don't know. I don't know what it's going to say.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Outro time, baby. I think Vlogmas is gonna make us be successful at outros. Because outros are always
Yeah, I always am like, oh,
You're
I
like-
didn't end that.
Or-
But it makes sense because my stories.
or
suck.
how do I say goodbye? I'm gonna put my glasses here so you can't see the ring light reflection. Because awkward. Anyways, so we look so twinly right now. Literally, why am I talking? See, I told you we're gonna try getting better at outros. Anyways, so that concludes our video. Vlogmas Day.
Bye.
And we have so much fun doing Vlogmas, just documenting our day. If you guys post Vlogmas, want to see more vlogs, hit us up. We'll vlog. We'll do a what
I
we
like
eat in the
vlogging.
day. I do
It's
too.
fun.
It's fun. Especially whenever we have different things going on in the day, and then we collab them.
Yeah, I
It's
did that the other day.
Ooh. But anyways, if you are new to this channel and you've never this is your first impression of us, what's up? Thanks for coming. Subscribe. Join our family so you don't miss our video. Anyways, if you are new here, please subscribe.
And join our family.
Like this video if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you for another day of Vlogmas.
Bye.
Bye.